1. Xarm Industrial Robot Arm. Xarm was created to support manufacturing systems that enable leaps in labor productivity performance. With Xarm, your performance will improve by more than 95% and abandoned accounts will be quickly recovered thanks to reduced labor costs and increased output. The Xarm is designed with multiple axes, perfect for repetitive tasks. Instead of hiring people to take care of your machines, where human error is prone to occur, Xarm's highly calculated precision hardware design can operate your machines accurately. Once the 3D printer finishes printing, Xarm detects it using the computer vision system and automatically loads the objects out of the printer immediately. The Xarm features a multi-tool mounting port that allows users to install different head tools depending on their needs. It comes with the most commonly used end actuators, clamping and vacuum systems to assist in performing a variety of tasks. With an integrated camera sensor running on an Intel processor, the clamping arm can react to the environment and take appropriate actions. Click to learn how to use Parallel Gripper as an add-on. Xarm's innovative features give you a competitive edge with guaranteed production quality. Unlike industrial-grade robotic arms that are heavy and cumbersome to move, Xarm is light and user-friendly, and its convenient and quick setup allows you to apply it to any process and in different settings. 2. Fleye, your personal flying robot. Classic drone design Fleye went back to the drawing board to imagine the future of autonomous flying robots. The resulting product is safer, sturdier and easier to use. Drones arrive. How will it look from the future? About small, autonomous flying machines that fly around and help in everyday life. The safest drone in the world. Fleye's main innovation is its unique spherical design, in which all moving parts are completely shielded. This means you can hold, touch, push and bump Fleye without any risk of injury to yourself or others. That also means Fleye will be more secure when hitting something. Fleye has a powerful built-in computer, similar to the latest smartphones. It's a dual-core ARM A9, with hardware-accelerated video encoding, 2 GPUs, 512 MB RAM, and runs Linux. It also supports the popular computer vision library OpenCV. This means Fleye can be programmed to perform tasks automatically, reacting to what it sees in the environment. No flying skills required. Fleye is really easy to use and control, using just a smartphone. Thanks to its powerful built-in computer, Fleye is capable of performing tasks automatically for you to go to a certain height and rotate itself to take a shot. 360 degrees panoramas. Fleye is more than just a drone. Thanks to its onboard computer and 2 open APIs, a machine becomes a robot when it is capable of observing the environment and making autonomous decisions based on what it sees. This is exactly what you can do with Fleye. 3. Vector Robot. Vector is a robot with a special personality hidden behind a cute appearance, like a heart-stopping mini excavator that has many fans. Monkey Vector is designed as a completely automatic robot, connected to cloud computing, and it always knows to look at the environment and human activities going on around it, from which it can provide new information. Cute interacts with its owner and helps them feel comfortable. In particular, Vector does not need to press a button to turn on the rule, it is always in an open state. Vector is also equipped with the same functions as a smart speaker with integrated artificial intelligence like Apple or Google. You can ask it to provide weather information, set a timer to turn on and off smart electrical devices in the house, or order the robot to take a photo for you. Vector has the ability to connect with Alexa virtual assistant to expand many interesting features. Vector's lifelike character is made possible by AI technology and vision system. The character and animation is a character with a sense of life within him that allows him to observe the world and react realistically. His processing power comes from the Qualcomm 200 processing platform. His vision is provided by an HD camera with an ultra-wide 120-degree viewing angle. He has directional hearing thanks to an array of 4 beamforming microphones. He makes direct eye contact with his high-resolution color IPS display with each data point influencing whether he is happy, sad, curiosity or any other emotion. He is completed by a 6-axis IMU and Wi-Fi connectivity. 4. Trainerbot Table Tennis Robot. Playing table tennis with friends is fun. But some partners are too strong and cannot be defeated. Others are still learning and are not fun to play with. Introducing Trainerbot. This is the world's first intelligent table tennis robot, which is fun to play and can teach you how to play. You can set up specific shots, hone your skills, and simulate informative gameplay all in one. With Trainerbot you can program any type of game or sequence of scenes so you can have fun and improve. Trainerbot is fully customizable. You can adjust the difficulty up or down so the game keeps you on your toes. Shoot the ball accurately to any part of the table. It caters to any type of shot you want to make, whether it's a lob, a short shot or a smash. It's hard to find a perfect partner who can play a competitive game with you. With Trainerbot's multiplayer mode, you can play with friends at different levels by programming different shot sequences. You can play table tennis with someone you can almost, but not quite tone. Can you beat it? Does this friend execute a complex series of spin shots to their advantage? Trainerbot is your secret weapon. You can program your opponent's deceptions and practice them secretly at home. 5. Codey Rocky Coding Robot. Meet Codey Rocky, your new coding companion. Codey Rocky is the first-level coding robot for STEM education, suitable for children 6 years and up. The combination of easy-to-use robotics hardware with graphical programming gives all children the opportunity to take their first steps into the world of programming and editing. Hello world, they're first. Codey comes with a built-in 6-axis gyroscope so you can control the games you code by moving or tilting the controller and watch the game react to your actions. Comes with Codey Rocky is over 20 learning guides to get started with graphical programming in Python code. Progress seamlessly from one challenge to the next until you're ready to learn advanced Python language, and transform your code with just one click. An optional Bluetooth dongle lets you wirelessly upload code to your companion robot to a computer so you can quickly try out your code ideas. AI and IoT principles from voice recognition to infrared TV control. Codey Rocky users get their first taste of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. MakeBlock's MBlock 5 programming software is based on the programming language MIT's Scratch 3.0 graphics to ensure that beginners can start coding within minutes. All you need to do is drag and drop or desktop. MBlock 5 is ready for you to start with code. With just one click you can turn your graphics code into Python code and continue learning in advanced and practical language. 6. Kiki, a cute robot. Kiki is a robot that understands your senses and cheers you on. A robot that encourages empathy. A robot that truly grows with you. Kiki doesn't tell you the weather or stock prices, but Kiki has an ever-evolving personality and is adapting to her owner day by day. She is a robot touched by emotional intelligence and technology. Kiki learns through your daily interactions. She recognizes you and treats you in a special way. If you care about her, you will become the most important person in her eyes. With advanced robotics and artificial intelligence, Kiki holds a large amount of technology in her small body. High-end embedded processor allows Kiki to run deep learning models on machine to recognize your face and understand how you're feeling. Omnidirectional hearing allows Kiki to find you, even when she can't see you. Her entire body is covered with touch sensors so she can feel where you're petting her, which is how your Kiki knows to beg you for belly rubs. Kiki sees you through a high-resolution, wide-angle camera hidden in her nose. She follows you with her eyes and tracks your face in real time at 30 frames per second. She can even recognize you in low light and at a distance of up to 2 meters. She can remember hundreds of faces and can recognize someone in a split second the next time she meets them. Every interaction creates a virtual impression on her. She builds a sense of familiarity with each person and can distinguish between owners, close friends, and strangers. 7. HEXA Mobile Robot. HEXA is a compact, 6-legged, highly maneuverable robot, fully equipped with all necessary sensors. Together with HEXA, we offer Mind, an operating system and robotics SDK, where for the first time individuals do not need to know the underlying hardware and complex mechanisms to learn and create the exciting functions of robot. HEXA is agile, smart and compact enough to fit in your backpack. HEXA has a high degree of mobility, providing flexibility in movements and actions, and can quickly handle different environments and terrains. This is the ideal robot body to start creating, HEXA's optical and spatial sensors allow it to observe and learn from the world around it, while allowing you to create fun and intelligent functionality. Sensors include 720p camera with night vision, 3-axis accelerometer, distance measuring sensor, infrared transmitter. HEXA is based on the Linux kernel and optimized for robotics. It integrates various libraries and drivers to easily control the robot's hardware and network. With HEXA you create movements and applications that help bring your robot ideas to life. With HEXA you choose how you want to develop and build, using the SDK provided by Golang or the 3D simulator-style sandbox. HEXA is a complete robotics ecosystem, including a user-generated skill store where you can share your latest skills or experiment and test the skills of fellow enthusiasts. Robot and HEXA owner, your path to robotics. 8. BIKI Unmanned Machine. BIKI is the world's first biological underwater drone, also the only underwater robot with automatic balancing, obstacle avoidance and return to base. By supporting 4K cameras, BIKI gives you the best view from underwater. BIKI, smallest but strongest. Through the annotation of this smart robot, you can show the underwater tank from a completely new perspective. BIKI is not only an all-powerful underwater drone but also an emotional pet robot. Now, tell BIKI what you want to do. BIKI is the world's first underwater biological robot. You can swim with the camera for 90 to 120 minutes and at depths of up to 196 feet, like diving? How about swimming with BIKI to see the underwater wonderland? BIKI can float in the water to swim with you. Even during high-speed movement or in the dark, BIKI is capable of stabilizing the camera for smooth video and sharp images using the HD motion camera and swivel head-based anti-shake camera platform and eccentric tilt. You have an iPhone to take selfies. Do you also want to capture your underwater moments? Now this is BIKI. You will be able to capture the most beautiful moments of your life by shooting with BIKI's powerful 4K camera. Like dolphins, BIKI uses biological sonar echolocation to locate objects in the environment. BIKI is more than just a technical robot. Driven by the tail fin, it can adjust and control the direction of movement. The tail fin control technology is based on the inverse von Karman vortex path theory from fluid dynamics, which is a repeating pattern of vortex vortices caused by unsteady separation of the BIKI fluid flow. Not only as an underwater drone but also an emotional family member. It will follow you throughout your life, witnessing your happiness and growth. Thank you for watching the video. Please leave a comment below the video if you have any dissatisfaction or other opinions. Like and subscribe so we can provide you with more videos and products every day.